Hey folks, this is Burriss, your LinkedIn coach and trainer, with a quick little tip for you. Discovered this in some conversations with some people this morning that saved search on free LinkedIn. Actually, any LinkedIn subscription does not show up unless you do one thing. Saved search will not show up. If I go to the search bar and search for people, and I can do anything I want to do in here, but saved search will not show up. It's going to be right here. On any version of LinkedIn, it's going to be right here. If you do one thing, you have to put something in this bar right here. You have to put some word up here. You put the word up there, then saved search will show up. But you've got to put a word, a phrase, a Boolean search string, or anything you want in this bar right here, and even if it's redundant than what you have under all filters, and then you can create a saved search. Hey, it's almost 2019. I hope that little trick is helpful for everybody. Have a fabulous new year.